All right. It's me, Kinghuman. Listen up. In this video, I'm going to guarantee that you guys are going to make at least $24,000 in the next 3 months. Got that? I didn't say you can make $24,000 in the next 3 months. I said I'm going to guarantee you will make at least $24,000 in the next 3 months. Watch this video. Okay guys, here's what's doing. I want to sit down and talk with you about this like you were my best buddy. I used to call these videos lunch with friends. Let me set this down. And I want to turn on the camera and talk to you as if we were best buddies and I'm sitting down with you to lunch and you're asking my advice because you know what's doing. You know that I make money online. Now here's the problem. I've been kind of yelling at you guys for years to become self-empowered and start moving to the digital economy where you make money from home, off of your computer, off of your laptop, whatever, but it's self-empowering. You don't have a JOB, which stands for just over broke. And now here's what's happening. I'm getting inundated with a bunch of people hitting me up and saying, Kinghuman, the corona thing just put me out of work. I lost my job. I need money now. What can you do? Well, if I were in your shoes, and I'm not because I transitioned years ago, I transitioned to self-empowerment and making money online. So I'm not in that creepy boat that some of you people are in. But if I were, this would be what I would get done. I would get on this Webclass and I would sign up. That's what I would do. Now again, that's just me. But anytime I have somebody confident enough to say that they guarantee I'm going to make $24,000 in the next 3 months, a minimum of $24,000 in the next 3 months, I'm on board with it, if it makes any sense to me at all. And the only way you're going to know if that makes any sense to you at all is to click the link, go watch the class. Burp. There it is. You didn't think you were going to get through a whole video without a burp from Kinghuman, right? Anyway, there it is. Do it, don't do it. It's your life. I'm trying to help you here. This is what I'm doing because I really genuinely feel this can help you guys. And a lot of you guys. I don't know. Obviously, I don't know you personally. But I think this can help you guys. I think this has the best chance of helping the most people to get real money and become really self-empowered. Okay, enough of me. Booyakasha. Hey, stay safe, guys, right? Do what they recommend, hand washing, social distancing. I'm actually going to buy myself a walking stick, and I'm going to freaking wave it around. If people get too close to me, I'm going to swing that thing around, poke them in the chest. Get the hell back. Stay away from me. I don't like you when things are good. Now you carry a virus. Get the hell back. Okay, that's what's doing. All right, guys, at least we can chuckle a little bit still, right? Stay safe, stay well, maximum respect, and let me know how you're doing. Cheers.